about to go play with a CTS-V. Let's see if we can keep up with them. And the EP3 Type R. All stock engine-wise, just coilovers and brakes. And on winter tires right now, so we'll see what's up. See if we can keep up, y'all. We'll see if we can keep up. We in the Civic. Every last bit of it. So like, how long were you waiting?
Huh? About 2, 3, 4 seconds.
Oh, really?
Yeah, as soon as I turned around and then I opened the door.
Oh, really? Okay. Man, bro, you just left. Like,
I told you.
It was nothing I could do. It was nothing I could do. Like,
I looked back and I had to slow down for the bike.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, okay.
Yeah.
Let me slow down around him real quick, and then I was like, oh.
Yeah, bro, you were gone. I mean, I was giving it all she had, you know. It is what it is.
Happens. I know the vet would have kept up.
Oh, the vet would have walked away.
It would have walked away. I mean, you got the same horsepower, but it's got better fucking traction on this.
I think we should do this in the vet. Just let me know.
Yep.
Yeah. All right, brother. I'll catch you later. that was fun. Playing with the CTS-V. Yep, definitely destroyed me. Destroyed the EP3, ate it up. It's okay. When I build my K-swap EG, we will have our day of reckoning. Everybody's getting 8. Everybody's getting 8. But yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed that quick little video. Take it easy. I'm out.